You are 13. Right now, who is actually also being a helping hand for you in running this whole company, running this whole idea that you have?
Honestly, no one is with me. I'm the one-man army. So I'm the only one who is almost hardworking for 23 hours without sleep and all. So I will be managing all the posts in one single day.
What is keeping you motivated to keep going?
The pain when we have like lost a human life, we can't see it. So to minimize the pain and to save humans, it is my only motivation and a disciplined lifestyle.
When you made your first drone, how was that feeling? What did you experience?
When I'm testing it, I was like so nervous. So will it fly or not?
In India, especially the youth, has still not stepped into this industry. What would you like to say to them? Welcome to Tech Udan, where conversations take flight with innovation and technology. My name is Supriya, and we are here on the buzzing floor of Drone Expo 2026. I have a very special guest with me today. He is 13 years old. He is from Andhra Pradesh. He's in the 8th standard, but he is a true innovator. With me today, I have Omkar Rabaka, and he is actually a participant here at Drone Expo in the Youth Innovators Zone. Welcome, Omkar. How are you? And thank you so much for being here on Tech Udan.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Omkar, I have to ask you, at the age of 13, you are doing something which is so tremendous, and that too in a space which is a rapidly growing space in our country, right? I have to know what got you interested in drones and the entire UAV space at such a young age.
So generally, I was like researching on drones from past 3 years, from past 3.5 years.
Uh-huh.
So like in military, like medical services and like delivery, agriculture, we are
Yeah.
working on it. So our company is working on those kind of services. Generally, what inspires me to bring in this field, right? So first of all, our company is only on medical field. So after that, we had expand our company services to those kind of fields. So why only medical field means like in remote areas, coastal areas, there will be lack of medical facilities. So we have observed the problem, and like for every 1 month there is a medical camp. That too like that is internships or freshers. So there will be not so much experience. Only 1% or 2% will be experienced. So not like this. So if there is an medical emergency in the midnight or after the camp, then who will be responsible for it?
Yeah.
So we have like observed a problem. So now we are like making it solution. So with drones, we are like carrying humans from coastal areas to nearby medical clinics or medical hospitals, and also we can be like performing a medical surgery using robotics in the midair.
Yeah, yeah. And are you seeing a great response for that?
Yes, and actually we are having 30 full confident customers.
Yeah.
So we have still now we have developed more than 50 drones.
Okay.
And now like after coming to the drone expo, and I have got some 110 drones orders from here.
Wow.
And also need to find some investors to invest on those drones, almost like 50 lakh to 2 crore.
That is brilliant. You are 13. Right now, who is actually also being a helping hand for you in running this whole company, running this whole idea that you have?
So actually, honestly, no one is with me. I'm the one-man army. So I'm the only one who is like almost hardworking for 23 hours without sleep and all. So I will be managing all the posts in one single day.
Wow. But how are you managing your academics with running your company?
So actually, all my school timings is around morning 8 o'clock, so evening 7 o'clock.
Okay.
From 7 o'clock, I will be starting my company work. Need to check out the emails, files, and need to get out some drones. I need to check it. So there will be a lots of work. So I will be sleeping at 5 o'clock,
Wow.
morning 5 o'clock, and after again getting up at 8 o'clock, I will be managing school and academics.
Wow. What is keeping you motivated to keep going with this?
Generally, like the pain when we have like lost a human life,
Yeah.
that is adorable. Like we can't see it. So to minimize the pain and to save humans, that is my only motivation
Wow.
and a disciplined lifestyle.
That is amazing. What are the challenges that you're currently facing, while developing your product?
So first of all, the investors and the money finance.
Yeah.
So like for till now we have spent almost 25 lakhs on our company. So still we have to find some investors because around 2000 crores are like estimated for this developing country. So we are now had a plan for 2 crores, and if you are investing those 2 crores, we are having a complete business plan for 1 year using how we like use your the 2 crores. So your 2 crores will be developing almost like 10 crores, 15 crores. So we are having a perfect business plan and all. So like now we are finding to investors and finance. That is the main problem we are facing right now.
Hmm. Do you think it is important for, you know, you are very young, you are already in this industry and you are doing a wonderful job with it. But still, a lot of people in India, especially the youth, has still not stepped into this industry. What would you like to say to them?
Uh, See, actually, for every person there will be a talent or any special ability to make. So if they do hard work on it, they will be successfully they will be like running their lives. So
Yeah.
like we are wasting our time. So actually, time is the most valuable thing. We are like not getting it. Even I know the value of time because only almost 4 to 3 hours I'm sleeping, and the time. See,
Yeah.
need to manage my schools, my company, so I need more time. So these summer holidays will be more helpful for me because in holidays I can be more focused on my company. So time they should be like utilize their time like useful things rather than on Instagram and all. So social media apps need to use on useful things like drones. Like now but the thing which they are interested, if they concentrate on it, they will be like completely successful in their lives. I am sure for it.
When you made your first drone, the first ever, how was that feeling? What did you experience that time? Tell us something about that.
So my first one is a failure. Completely, it's a failure. Like
Yeah.
so, I was feeling when I'm testing it, I was like so nervous. So will it fly or not? So I like it took off. Okay, but immediately like the GPS some communications completely we lost it. So it will like explode in the air.
Um,
So it's first one is complete failure, and I have like so much tension to make the money, and
Yeah.
also like we on that time we are having less money to make those drones.
Right.
So we are like again keeping savings all this money. So and all. So on the second attempt also failed. So almost 5 attempts of failure for us.
Wow. Okay.
We have like lost around 2 lakh rupees on this. So and on the sixth attempt we have like risk all of our money. Like we have bought expensive parts, so and expensive items and sensors. So we have risk all of our money around 6 lakh or 7 lakhs, which we have saved till now. We have risk all of it. And that time it has a grand success, and we have got a profit of almost 15 lakh rupees.
Right.
And
That's
some
amazing.
appreciation letters and company interviews.
That's amazing. So you see a bright future in this industry now, don't you? Yeah. What are you hoping for next? What are your plans now?
So now, for now, my plan is to fulfill my company dream first of all, because and I need to give some employment to other people who are like interested in this. So generally nowadays, like there is no course and no schools about these drones. So I would like to keep a like run a school on these drones, and I would like to give some employment to others, and I will be the mentor for them.
Wow. That is amazing. Omkar, it has been such a pleasure talking to you. Before we let you go, you have something to say about participating in Drone Expo and how your experience has been so
It's a
far?
wonderful experience. Like after getting to Drone Expo, my confidence level boosts very much.
Nice.
And here I can find so many investors, so many visitors, and like I have great conversation with them, and I have improved my communication skills so much. It helped me so much.
Well, you're
So
doing a very noble job, I would say. What exactly your innovation has gotten out there in the market is truly commendable. It's very inspiring also. So thank you for what you do, and we hope we can host you soon again on Tech Udan.
okay,
Congratulations on the order you made, and
thank you.
thank you for having a conversation with us. That was Omkar, the young innovator here at Drone Expo in Bangalore. And what a fun chat. I think the moment the cameras go off, I'm going to ask him about his hobbies. What is he doing if he's working so hard 23 years every day? And let's hope we get him back on Tech Udan again. This is me, Supriya. Keep watching Tech Udan for more such videos.